This is the GoBQ grill right out of the box, and I'm Max Good. I test and review grills and smokers full-time for AmazingRibs.com. I'll be putting this one through the paces shortly, so let's take a quick look before I start to cook. This virtual showroom video is part 1. For part 2, click on the link to my full detailed review right below this screen. Welcome to our virtual showroom. Well, look at that! I've never seen anything quite like this. It's made with silicone coated, flame resistant fiberglass. It's flexible like a bag, and it opens up like a bag. Yup, the whole thing pops open. This is the base with a rust-free aluminum frame. Inside is a stainless steel charcoal net. There are no dampers, just air vent holes on both the base and the lid. And check this out. Here's your cooking grate. This is also flexible, rather clever. And it fits right over the charcoal basket in the stand. The lid is actually rather high profile. You could do a whole chicken in this, I imagine. However, I believe the design is more suited for direct grilling. Just simple things like burgers, fajitas, hot dogs, maybe some chicken parts. I'm sure there's a way to do more, possibly even some type of smoking, but it seems best suited for simple, direct grilling. Move it around by these handles on both sides. Comes with a carrying strap, and it's just kind of a cool, unique little grill. Great for camping, tailgating. And when you're done, dump out the coals, fold up the base, take the flexible grill grate, pop it inside the lid. In goes the base. Snap those buckles in nice and tight. And away we go. I thoroughly tested this model. If you're watching on YouTube, scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on the link to my full detailed review. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.